Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate barista, easy method. Heat 1 cup whole milk and 2 tablespoon cocoa with 1 tablespoon sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, whisking continuously until steaming and smooth. Remove from heat, stir in 1/4 tsp vanilla, froth briskly, top with whipped cream and a light dusting of cocoa or cinnamon. Adjust sweetness to taste. Start by gathering everything on your counter, so the process feels easy and calm. Warm the milk gently while you whisk the cocoa and sugar into a smooth slurry, then slowly combine to avoid lumps. Use whole milk for creaminess or a 2% blend for lighter texture, and always finish with 1/4 tsp vanilla for depth, tasting and adjusting sugar until it matches your sweet spot. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing cozy recipes. On another note, quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless so you can enjoy your hot chocolate without fuss. It's a handy companion for kitchen messes and living room spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Frothing makes the drink feel like a barista treat, so aim for smooth, velvety foam without large bubbles. Use short, controlled bursts with a handheld frother near the surface, or pour into a jar and shake vigorously if you don't have one. Pour slowly to layer foam, add whipped cream or grated chocolate, and serve immediately while hot for the best aroma and texture that feels cozy and indulgent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.